Looking for an economical alternative to a full mannequin? One Dental has solutions for all your needs, and our mount, model and cheeks provide a mannequin alternative. It comprises of 5 components: cheeks, ring articulator, 4 screws with a driver, and a model and a bench or headrest mount. Start assembling by inserting the upper jaw into the cheeks and line up the 2 holes in the rear of the cheeks to the screw holes in the model and articulator, and screw the screws into place. Once both screws are placed, insert the lower jaw into the cheeks and screw these loosely in place. Check your occlusion, and once correct, ensure you tighten all screws firmly into place, as this locks your occlusion into the correct position. These cheeks are very flexible and are able to capture water and debris. Attach your mount to a bench by tightening the black lever into place. Slide your model onto the pole, ensuring the flat section of your mount is lining up with the screws in the ring articulator, and lock it into place. Our mounts come with a securing ring, allowing you to lock the lower jaw into place and unlock the lower jaw when you want to check occlusion. Your model is now assembled and ready for use.